Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue determination part 2. Collect value, booking supplement, price. Clear, clear, travel, total price. Total price. Okay. So we collected the amount for header ID and then booking supplement. Now what we will do? We will do the conversion. Okay. Currency conversion. Loop at LT amount into data ls amount and loop. Okay, if currency code is same, then we will fill the total price. Okay, if ls amount currency code equal to LFS travel currency code, then what we will do? We will fill the header total price. Okay, then we will fill the header total price. Total price equal to whatever amount we have in our ls amount structure. We will keep on adding it. And this ls amount we have from our header booking supplement amounts. Okay, if currency is same, for example our source currency is also Indian rupee and target currency, so we are going somewhere in India, so the currency is same, then what we will do? We will just directly add that amount in our total price. But if currency is different, so for example from India we are going USA, so the currency will be different, which is dollar. So what we need to do? We need to do the conversion and then add it in the total. Okay, let's do that. So how we will do it? We will use the function for converting the currency. Demo CL flight AMDP. So we are using this AMDP function to do the currency conversion. Exporting IV amount, importing amount is whatever amount we have in our ls amount structure. IV currency code source ls amount currency code. Okay, and currency code target, what will be the target? So the target will be whatever we have in the header. Currency code. What is the exchange rate date? That is the system date. Get system date. Importing. So at the last we will get the converted amount. which is according to our source currency. Total amount. So now this amount we will add in our total price. Total price. So whatever this total price is there plus ls total amount, which is the converted amount as per our source currency. Alright. Now at last what we will do, we will modify our business object with this change total amount. Alright. So what we will do, we will return the total amount to modify the business object. So what is the EML command for this? Modify entities of BO ZHA SA travel in local mode entity. So which is the entity that we are changing? Travel entity. Update fields. Which field we are updating? Total price. Okay, with what? With corresponding travel internal table. Now what we will do, let's save and activate it. Let's save and activate the behavior definition first. So it's LTY amount. So yeah, our method is activated. Let's add the determination in behavior definition. Determination. We also need to give some name to determination. Let's add calculate total price on modify. So as I told earlier, so we have two types of determination, on save and on modify. So here we are defining the on modify determination. On modify, so actions we will define should trigger on create, on field, booking fee and currency code. So whenever there is a change in booking fee and currency code, this determination will be executed. Let's do the quick fix. Let's do the quick fix to implement the determination. Okay, so this is our method. Let's add the logic here. Modify EML syntax we need to use. Modify entities of business object ZHA SA travel in local mode, and which is our header entity, that is travel. Okay, execute. We will execute the internal action, which is recalculate total price from corresponding hash keys. Okay, let's save and activate the behavior definition first. Also, let's activate the behavior implementation. Let's test run our application. Go to service binding. Right click on our root entity. Click on create. Let's add the values here. For example, this is the agency ID, description test, overall status, open, booking fees, and also the currency. So total price we will keep it entity. Let our internal action and determination calculate it. Okay, click on create. As you can see, total price is calculated by default. It was empty and now by the determination it is calculated. Similarly, price we can add for the booking and booking supplement entity. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will continue further in our next videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel for such informational content. Thank you. Bye bye.